what's up? I'm Gorilla, just getting ready to pack up the A-Team van. We're heading down to Portland to check out Mini Bike Winter and Zoobomb and all the crazies down there. Hopefully do some skating with our buddy Billy Bones. So here we go.
One on this side?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Big.
We might as well get a video shot of them. I fell on a very sexy rock.
Where are you from, Billy?
Texas. But I've been in Portland for a while, so I'd call this home.
What's a typical day of skating?
If it's winter, probably go to the warehouse ramp, session that for a little bit.
Oh my God! Billy.
If it's dry, just go do a bunch of Zoobomb runs, kind of cruise around.
So what do you do when you're not skating?
Wow, that one caught me off guard.
What's Mini Bike Winter all about?
People get these really janky little kids bikes and they go like up in the West Hills and then they just like bomb down really gnarly roads really fast late at night. Do it up, have fun for the weekend, and have big races and dance parties. It's a lot of fun.
Hey man, can you tell me where we are, what we're doing?
I don't know, where are you?
Then tonight it's gonna be the downhill races.
Oh god, they're going way fast.
I think we're gonna go check out the Death Spiral.
Safe travels. Thank you for coming to Portland. I'm glad you guys had fun. We'll do it again next year.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Sweet.
Really?
Did we just have a moment?